Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see who blocked you on Instagram using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, I want to say that there's no feature here on Instagram app that you can see who blocked you, okay? So what you want to do is first, for example, in this account, I'm going to go to my profile. And then I'm gonna check my post, and as you can see here on my post there's a 1 like, so I'm just gonna check that, and as you can see there's no user appearing, okay? So that means that user blocked me, right? And now just want to search his or her username. So for example, gonna search that user's username, and now once you search that, there's no profile appearing under that username, right? And once, for example, you have a past or history on messages, you can also check your inbox and then click their username or profile, and once you click it, you cannot view his or her profile, and that means that user blocked you, right? So that's how you do it. That is how you know how or who user blocked you. So I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.